we're recommending that Alberta change the Wills and Succession Act so that a child can apply for support from the estate of a person who stood in the place of a parent. This proposal would close a gap in the law, because currently a child may apply for support from a person standing in the place of a parent while the person is alive, but not after their death. A person standing in the place of a parent must be the step-parent of the child and must have demonstrated a settled intention to treat the child as their own. We consulted with over 922 individuals in Alberta. 328 of them were either step-parents or stepchildren. We found that 79% of those surveyed agreed with our recommendation, while 78% of step-parents and stepchildren also agreed. Our recommendations were based on three principles: that the best interests of a child should be one of the main considerations for reform, that the law should treat all children equally, and that the Wills and Succession Act should be consistent with other laws in Alberta that provide benefits to a child with a person standing in the place of a parent. See our full report at www.alri.ualberta.ca and follow us on Twitter or LinkedIn for the latest in our work.